Hey, so we're at the range, and today we're going to do a couple of things. We're testing out some new red dot risers that we're going to be offering. This one's for an Aimpoint Acro. At the same time, we're going to shoot this rifle, see how it performs, and we're going to start to dial in this gas system. We took one shot just to make sure everything was functioning correctly. It did fire, but it didn't cycle the bolt at all, so I know that gas system is completely closed off, so we are going to need to open it up so this can cycle. So this is one way to do it. There's a lot of ways to dial in your gas system, but we'll show you one method. In this case, this gas block has a set screw in the front that actually keeps tension on the adjustment screw, and so we need to loosen that. To be able to adjust our gas screw. I'm going to go a half a turn. We'll see what that gives us. So the goal is that we want the right amount of gas. We're going to get this so that the bolt will actually cycle and it will pick up new rounds. And then we'll give it a little bit more than that just to make sure that it's reliable. But you go from the point that it will fire, but it won't cycle and pick up another round. In this case, it ejected, but it didn't pick up a new round. We're getting close. Look at that. So we picked up a round, it fired, and it ejected. So we should be pretty dialed, but that's just this ammo. So to make sure that we're reliable across different types of ammo, we're going to dial in this case, because I did a full half turn in that case, I'm probably going to give it another quarter turn for reliability's sake, and we're going to call that good. Make sure it works. Everything works fine. So we're out testing this and getting it all dialed in. This is going to be one of our SHOT Show builds for this year. At the same time, we're testing some new red dot risers. In this case, this optic is probably going to live on this gun for SHOT Show, or maybe this one. And these are two of the options that we're going to be having come out this year. This one is for an Aimpoint Acro. And one unique thing about our red dot riser is that it allows you for some height adjustment. So there is a spacer sandwiched in between the bottom part of the riser and the top part. And so that allows for an absolute co-witness or a lower 1/3 co-witness. In this case, we have it set for a lower 1/3, which is perfect with the fixed sights that we have, so it's still very usable. And in the case of this Holosun aims, we're going to have a couple different height options as well. So we'll have the same height for this, but we'll also have an increased height around 2 1/4 inches. And then we're also going to have a 2 1/4 inch red dot riser height for like an Aimpoint T1, T2 interface. We currently offer them for the Aimpoint T1, T2 in an absolute and lower 1/3 co-witness, as well as a Picatinny variant and a universal reflex adapter plate as well. And everything is working great today. So we're going to keep shooting this and try out a couple of these other mounts.